How do I release my license? There are two ways to release your software license. From within the ZYTO Pro 5.0 software, in the main menu, select Settings, then Release License. On the Release License page, select Release License. The software will automatically close and your license will be available to claim on a second computer. Note that you must be online to release your license. From the ZYTO.com website, in the top right corner of the ZYTO.com website, select Sign In. Enter your username and password and select Login. From the Manage Account tab, select the license you wish to release under Product in the Subscriptions section. Once on the Licenses Management page, on the right side, select Release License. Note, if there is no Release License button next to the license, it means that the license has already been released.